.NET developers? .NET? Oh, damn. No, everybody's in Java, right? I'm the wrong crowd. Okay. One thing beautiful about .NET is that it is easy to emulate sets. You know sets? Mathematical sets. Union, intersect, minus, set operation. The language is designed such that it makes it easier to write code in a very simple way. Let me show you. Okay. Set operations, I'll just run one very small one. AGP, take a long time. I'll run it. I'll load the test data which is in the paper. Can't remember which one is in the paper, but I'll choose one. Both of them are from the same author anyway. Okay, I'll use the standard elucidate. Remember, there's a customization in distance where you can do customization of the distance. This is the exam, you know. Including. So this is very fast because the data set is very small in paper. If you run few hundreds, you have to wait, you know. And as you mouse over, you show the value segments that we managed to get it. Number of resistance is just here, because we are doing valid groups, not maximal valid groups. So some of them will be not the largest ones. Okay, so here if I choose a bigger one. Okay, I think I'm going too big. Okay. Let's try this. And I'll use this. Voila, then there are more graphs in this, because this is a much bigger data set. I think this one is in one of the previous papers of the same author. Again, you have value groups. For VGPK, because it is a slightly different algorithm, the way it was done was using the Kerr-Box algorithm, finding maximal value groups using special clicks, you know. So at that point in time, for optimization sake, we do not include the value segments here because we don't really need it. You know. Only VGMax, the two algorithms that the original author sums up, need to compute the value segment. Actually, if we want to put it there, it's easier, but we remove that part. Is for optimization purpose. Right? Linear interpolation means that if the option is the data is missing, you all get what I mean. So if 1 person, 2 person, 3 person in this time group, 1 person, 2 person, 1 missing data, 1 person, 2 person, 3 person in time tree, 1, 2, 3, it fails the group that is because of our missing data. Even though it is supposed to be there, it's not there, you lost the group. Okay. So this is my minimal, humble presentation of what we have managed to do. Of course, these are the settings you see in my paper, in my presentation. Sorry. Okay, and this is just a background. This is done in .NET Framework 3.5. You can get it. I know some people are just anti-Microsoft. I'm one of them when I'm undergraduate. Microsoft, blue screen of death. Come on, give me a break. I'm a supporter of Linux, right? I'm sure many of you are Linux fans, but later when you go out to work, you probably change your mind. So this is in WPF. WPF is one of those fancy acronym for their product technology. This is Windows Presentation Foundation, right? So it makes our development very fast, very efficient. It's drag and drop, basically, right? Everything is drag and drop. It's something like Flash. You don't heard of Silverlight? Yeah. Good. I like it when somebody says. Yeah, Silverlight is Microsoft answer to Flash, you know. So this is heavy weight of the Silverlight. So one thing, all this, I'm not paid by Microsoft. Why am I saying all this? But I'll talk something interesting that you all might want to look up at. So let's take for example, union set of union set A, union set B. How do you do this in Java? If this A have 500 members, 300 members, you iterate necessarily. Yeah. But in the Microsoft, it probably did the same because it makes us even easier. So we just define u.union with. You know, the API is that simple. Union with B, you just assign with your new set. Simple as that. So if in our algorithm, if you have intersect with, you can just intersect with. You have a selectivity criteria, you use select with link. If you're looking up for Microsoft, you might want to look at link. For information, there's a Java version for you. If you stick to Java, you hate Microsoft, there's a Java version. I can't remember what's the name, but there's a Java version. The Microsoft version is called Link. You can look it up in the web. Just Google it, or you hate Google, which I don't think it would work. Microsoft Live. Okay, so for information, you all can do this and you all can find all the APIs. The paper has a lot of mathematical set operations. It makes me headache. So with Microsoft, I managed to do it much more easily. Right? Thank you very much. Didn't pay me money. Didn't pay me anything.